The DR Redi-Plow is a super light but durable home snowplow that fits on almost any pickup truck, SUV, or van. It mounts to a front receiver hitch, which is included with your order and is specific to your vehicle. After initial installation, the DR Redi-Plow goes on or off your truck in just minutes, letting you plow from the comfort of your heated vehicle. As you drive, the free-floating blade remains vertical, collecting snow as you move forward. When you back up, the blade releases, allowing you to reposition before moving forward again. For traveling, you can simply lift the plow one side at a time onto its push frame, where it locks into place with pins. The Redi-Plow Plus model adds 3 enhancements not found on the base model. First, the Plus model can be angled in 3 different positions: to the left, right, or locked straight ahead. Second, the Plus model also has end caps to prevent snow from spilling out the side. And finally, the Redi-Plow Plus is 3 inches taller, allowing you to collect even more snow.
Whichever model you choose, we guarantee it will get the job done right.